Hey there, Simply Wi-Fi does phones now. So if you're a small business owner in the Okanagan and you're interested in VoIP, call Simply Wi-Fi at 778-313-0602 or go to simplywifi.ca and see about moving on to VoIP, but still having local support. That's what makes Simply Wi-Fi different. So if you only have one phone and you're thinking, I don't really need to switch to VoIP, what's the point? Someone calls and it rings. It's simple. Well, you can still have that. Or you can have an IVR where the call gets directed by a robot, or you could have just a greeting that answers people's questions. Maybe you're busy, running your small business and you don't want to answer what are your hours every 2 minutes when the calls come in. So you could have it set up to greet people and say, hey, this is my business. These are our hours. Hope to see you. If you're interested, come over to Simply Wi-Fi.